Need reliable heating and cooling without taking up too much space? Our 30,000 BTU furnace and air conditioner systems deliver just that, perfect for small to medium-sized homes, apartments, or offices. These systems combine a 30,000 BTU gas furnace with a matching air conditioner, offering year-round comfort while helping you save on energy bills with high CO2 efficiency. With features like multi-speed blower motors and programmable thermostats, you get consistent temperature control and easy customization for your space. From replacing an old system to installing a new one, these compact units give you reliability, efficiency, and comfort in every season. Explore our collection today. Find the perfect system, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more home comfort solutions.